Garuda or Mint, two wildly different Linux distros. One's a bleeding-edge Arch powerhouse, the other's the ultimate stable, beginner-friendly OS. Which one actually deserves a spot on your machine? Let's settle this. And hey, if you find this useful, smash that like button and subscribe. Linux Mint is an Ubuntu LTS-based distro built for rock-solid stability. Think Windows refugees and people who just want their computer to work. It's been around since 2006, uses the Cinnamon desktop, and focuses on simplicity. Garuda Linux, complete opposite. It's Arch-based, rolling release, and aimed at users who want the absolute latest software and don't mind occasional maintenance. Released in 2020, it's known for stunning visuals, gaming optimization, and serious performance tweaks. Release, model, and software. This is the biggest difference. Mint runs on Ubuntu LTS updates every 2 years with 5 years of support. You get tested, stable packages, but they're older. If you need the latest version of something, you're either adding PPAs or building from source. Garuda is rolling release. You get continuous updates, the newest kernels, the latest Mesa drivers, fresh software straight from Arch repos and the AUR. That's over 3,800 pre-compiled packages from chaotic AUR alone. No waiting for release cycles. But here's the catch. More updates mean more potential for things to break. Safety net and snapshots. Garuda actually wins here. It uses BTRFS with automatic snapshots before every system update. If an update breaks something, you literally boot into a previous snapshot from the grub menu. It's a safety net that makes rolling release way less risky. Mint supports timeshift for backups, but it's manual unless you configure it. You're more on your own if something goes wrong. Performance and hardware. Garuda ships with the Zen kernel optimized for desktop performance and lower latency. It's great for gaming, multitasking, and modern hardware, but it needs resources. The KDE Dragon Eyes edition wants at least 4 GB RAM and a decent GPU. Mint runs beautifully on older machines. 2 GB RAM? No problem. You can install it on a 10-year-old laptop and it'll feel responsive. It's lightweight, efficient, and perfect for breathing life into old hardware. User experience. Mint is plug and play. Install it, and you're immediately productive. LibreOffice, Firefox, everything's ready. The Cinnamon desktop feels like Windows, so there's zero learning curve. Garuda looks stunning out of the box, especially the Dragon Eyes edition, but it's not quite as beginner-friendly. You'll need basic Linux knowledge for troubleshooting. It includes tons of GUI tools for system management, but you'll still hit the terminal occasionally when things break. Gaming. If you're gaming, Garuda takes this easily. It has a dedicated gaming edition with pre-installed tools, optimized drivers, and performance tweaks built in. The Zen kernel helps with frame rates and responsiveness. Mint can game too, you'll install Steam and Proton just fine, but you're doing all the optimization yourself. Bottom line, Mint is for stability, simplicity, and older hardware. You want something that just works forever without babysitting. Garuda is for enthusiasts who want cutting-edge software, gaming performance, and don't mind occasional troubleshooting. Both are excellent just for completely different users. So which one fits your needs? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, hit subscribe and check the description for download links. Catch you in the next one.